In this lecture, we want to handle the clear button. So whenever the user presses the clear button, we want to trigger an action in the code that will remove this and clear off the blue to a different value. Instead of writing whatever value is here, we want to put 0, okay? And we want to remove all the values in the variables behind the code. So we want to reset them to their default values, okay? And all these ones are the ones that we declared in the code in the viewController.swift. We want to take care of all of these values, current number pressed, current stored number, and initialize them back to 0 or to none, okay? So let's go ahead and create that clear method or action, okay? So go all the way down in your code and in the viewController.swift, obviously, and right here before the curly brace that closes, just press enter and type func, and we're gonna call it clear, okay? And what we're gonna do here is say that it's a sender, it's a button. It has to be a button that sends it, okay? So type again sender UI button, okay? So that forces the clear to be called from a button, and say that the total will be 0, obviously, right? And we also want the current operation to be equal to none, okay? So just in case there was an operation going on, we're gonna reset it to nothing. Then we want the previous operation, obviously, to be the same one as the current, which we want it to be nothing, which will be none, all right? Then we want the current stored number to be equal to 0. And we want the previous stored number, okay, so the current and the previous numbers to be equal to 0 as well. And we want the, so we have the previous operation. We want the, what else do we want? Oh yeah, the number of digits. The number of digits, of decimal digits, we want to put it to, obviously, 0, right? And once this is done, we want to update the screen, okay? So the blue area right here, we want to update this and show all the new values. So this needs to be shown to 0. So we're just going to press enter and call the update display screen. Now you guys should be familiar with calling this update display screen because that's what we've been doing every time we click on any buttons. So whether it's the clear button, whether it's a number button or an operation button, we update the display screen. Okay, and that's all we need for the clear. So we are pretty much done now with the calculator. Now we're gonna play it in a simulator in the next lecture and see how things are going. See you guys in the next lecture.